What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm in beautiful sunny Fremont, California, in the historic Niles area, checking out a really cool photo location that I'm really excited to share with you guys. Let's get it. So dope. So I am, like I said, in Fremont, California, in the Niles area. I've never been to this area of Fremont or the Bay Area, and just in general, kind of backed up against these hills here. But this is Niles Auto Repair Shop. It is a beautiful historic repair shop. They repair like older cars here. They have a bunch of historic cars around. But I'm visiting this spot because it is beautiful and it is perfect for photos. They do allow photos here. You do have to make a reservation. If you're just kind of walking by on the street, you can take photos as well. They take donations for that, but you can reserve space here to do a shoot. You have to contact them directly, but I'll share more about that later. But I'm going to show you around this place and show you how dope it is, and possibly might be doing a meetup here in the near future. So yeah, let's check it out. So as you can see, this area is incredible. Potentially going to do a photo meetup here. I'm really excited for that with the Good Ink community. But yeah, it has it all, man. Like historic buildings, historic cars, beautiful views of these hills here. Like an incredible area. It's not too crazy. It's a pretty quiet area too, not a lot of traffic. So super dope if you're in the East Bay, Fremont area, you want to get some photos, definitely check them out. They do take donations. So if you just want to come and kind of walk by and get a couple photos, they recommend donations. So if you're doing that, definitely hit them with a donation, like $10 to get some photos. And if you want to set something up, reach out to them, and you can set up a shoot here as well. The owner said it's about 70 to 80 to 100 an hour for a shoot. So I definitely think it's worth it. And be on the lookout for the meetup too, coming very soon. All right, so that's a wrap for this video. Dope location, really cool. Super excited for us to potentially be there for a meetup. If you're in the area, whether you live in the area or you're traveling in the Fremont area, or you want to travel out here, definitely hit them up, contact them via Instagram. They have contact information in their bio. If you're, like I said, walking around, definitely shoot them a donation and take some really cool photos. They are like a working, functioning auto repair shop as well, so be respectful of that. But yeah, great spot here in California. Like I said, love sharing this type of stuff, man. I'm gonna keep it going. If you like this type of content and you want to see more, please feel free to drop a like on this video and comment anything in the comment section. It helps a lot, man, trying to reach my goal of getting monetized here on YouTube. Peace, guys.